Hello everyone, here I am inside the dashboard for the Xcelerate web application powerful social media traffic and automation suite. So here we have the dashboard, and you'll notice we have a very sleek dashboard which shows you the total post, total clicks, average clicks per day. We have the campaign info here as well as unique visitors. We can track as well based on the country. We have recent campaigns, reports, operating systems, just a whole lot of data that we can review here. Now we just want to go over to the next option, which is the connect account. And if I was to click on Facebook, I'd be able to link my Facebook account with the app. Simply click to link my page as OJ James. There you go, it's now linked, and I'll be redirected back to the app. Alright, awesome. So my account is now linked, and I'll be able to do post to this specific account. We can link Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, and also WordPress as well. So let me go to traffic campaign, and I click new campaigns. From here I can put my if I wanted to promote a fat loss product per se, I could put my destination link, which could be an affiliate link or offer page. We can add some information, and we can also paste the link to an image, or we can also browse and from the computer, or we can search and find on from Pixabay. If I wanted to get an image fat loss per se, search, you could use a relevant image that is relevant to the post. We also have a tracking that we can use to track the link, which is very powerful. And at the bottom we can schedule, or we can post now. I'm gonna select post now, and I can select my web page, my Facebook page rather, and from here I can click submit. There you go. So we can click view to see the report as well. We'll just give it a few minutes so we can see the statistics from the traffic, country report, the browser report, OS report, device report, the raw data report as well. So it's pretty sleek, pretty awesome type of tool. Next we have the quotes, which we can use to find viral quotes to build our campaign as well. You can search on Pixabay or on Splash as well. We find different images here. If we wanted to do different types of quote, we'll be able to do it within this app. Click on quote, create campaign, and here we have the quote, which gives us different quotes. So we have the quotes that are, we can filter based on jokes. If we want to load more, we can load more. If we want to lose say fat loss jokes, we can find quotes on fat loss easily. We can go all for this specific keyword. We can search, see what comes up. We can also, for example, if you wanted to do love, search for love. You get different quotes about love. We can simply select the one that we want, select next, then we can do the campaign based on a name we wanted. We can do text or image. We can add the text color, background image, next. We can choose to post to the different social media. I only linked my Facebook for this demo. We also have memes as well. We can do different quotes for memes. Hundreds of memes that are in it based on different categories as well. As you know, memes are very powerful, especially when you're trying to drive traffic as well to different offers. And we also have the tracking, the domain settings, which allows you to add your site to your domain, and you could download the WordPress plugin as well. which allows you to use Xcelerate on your WordPress site, and you also have the script as well, so you can add the software to work on your script. We have the training videos and our help desk. So as you can see, this campaign has now been posted, and we can see the statistics on it as well. If we click, go to our traffic campaign, we will see all the campaigns, and as you can see, it's already been posted. We can view the report as well, and we can see that it's actually been posted. If you wanted to see where it's been posted, we click here. There we go. It was posted to my OJ James page here, and I can click. It actually redirects to the MS as well. So as you can see, Xcelerate is pretty powerful traffic and social media automation suite. Thanks for watching. Bye.